Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be reviewing Hit the Spot Blackhead Cleanser. We will be giving you insights on how this cleanser looks. So sit back, relax, grab a popcorn and enjoy the ride. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit the Spot Blackhead Cleanser is an amazing cleanser that cleanses dirt and oil that may clog the skin. It can be used to remove blackheads on the face. It clears dark spots, sunburns, acne scars, pimples and relieves skin irritation. This cleanser is specifically designed to get rid of dark spots on any part of your body, no matter how stubborn they are. It will completely remove any form of hyperpigmentation on your skin fast. It deep cleanses your skin and leaves it feeling smooth, fresh and renewed. It does a good job in blending your skin complexion. It makes your skin very clear, even tone, radiant and beautiful. This cleanser unclogs pores and removes dull and dead skin cells. It removes all deep-seated dirt, impurities and excess oil on your skin, leaving you feeling squeaky clean and refreshed. It refreshes and revives the skin tone and texture. It also makes your skin fairer by reducing the production of melanin. This cleanser is a very good anti-aging product that reduces the appearance of wrinkles, acne, blemishes, sunburns, freckles and pimples. It also improves the overall texture of your skin. Hit the Spot Blackhead Cleanser can be used by anyone who wants to get rid of blackheads, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, pimples, blemishes, freckles and sunburns. This cleanser is the ideal exfoliator, resulting in skin that feels smoother, soothed and clearer with visibly reduced pores.